Sutinder Singh. I started this company, and of course, my children are all well educated and qualified. We are taking the business forward, and we look forward to growth in with Apple and lot with other brands as well. So we are a 70 store partner with Apple. We wish to go up to 100 stores in the next 6 to 8 months or a year from now. So it is a very highly professionally managed company with all the processes in place. We have a huge team of 1500 people working in our organization, and we wish to grow professionally and ethically. We drive our business. Hyderabad, we have about 20 stores of Aptronic. Overall, in about 30 cities, we have about 80 stores, 70 stores of Apple, and 15 are service centers. So that is it, and we wish to grow further and further. Dyson is there, then Onitsuka Tiger, a very prominent Japanese brand of high quality footwear. We have a lot of stores with them as well. Dyson is again a very prominent brand with personal care, air purifiers, and floor care. It's a very premium brand. Of course, then we are getting into Shivan and Naresh. We already have Shantanu and Nikhil, Kaswa, Jaipur, and a lot more brands that I cannot disclose right now. We are in talks with. So in the coming weeks or months, that we will disclose what the brands are. No, you see, since we are dealing with all the good brands, we get offers from all the premium brands, but we take up only what will justify in the Indian market. So plans are there to get into better and better brands.
So today we've got a generic communication running everywhere of minimum 10% discount on any product at Aptronics. No terms, no conditions. So whether you want to buy just an iPhone case, AirPods, a speaker, or an Apple product, minimum 10% off, no question. But having said that, on the main Apple products which are in demand, iPhone 17, MacBook Air, iPad, there are much higher offers. I think we'll brief you properly with the exact creatives, but whatever we are committing as the number, that is the absolute flat discount. It's not like, oh, we are showing that there's a discount, but then actually the value is accessory bundle milake, or trying to inflate the discount amount. It is a very straight up discount, no confusion. So it's a great time to shop for anybody who wants to buy Apple products for themselves or for their families. We're running the offers till Sunday. Hi everyone, I'm Meghna Singh. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm the CEO of Aptronics India. I think this is one of the most emotional stores for us because we are Hyderabadis. We started our business from here. The maximum number of stores that we have are in Hyderabad. And Sarath, this mall, is an iconic mall. It's in the top 5 of the country, and it is also by Hyderabadis. So two powerhouses coming together to open the largest store, not just in India, but across a lot of regions. This is a massive store. And the kind of quality of experience people get here is completely different from what people are used to in the Apple ecosystem here in India. So it means a lot to us, and I'm sure the customers are also really going to appreciate it. Apple is sold in a lot of places, right? And everybody talks about experience. But what does experience actually mean? Not many people can answer that question. At Aptronics, what we care about is only why should a customer come to me and not go anywhere else? Is the answer inventory, pricing, what is it? But at the end of the day, we like to engage with customers and we like to create bonds with them like family. And what is most important to us for customers is two things. One is customer trust. That being there and that being there forever is more important than sale for us. And second thing is that how can we make customers' lives better? If we are not able to answer that question, then I don't think Aptronics would be successful. I feel sales, discounts, numbers, all of that is byproducts. What is the most important is answering these fundamental questions that we are coming out with, the way our mind is working. Even with the store launch offer, if you see, it's minimum 10% off everything, no terms, no conditions, and everything is available. People usually give a lot of deceptive communication about offers. So we've taken the clutter out. If you look at Aptronics communications, there'll be no star terms and conditions anywhere. there'll be no deceptive marketing. Limitless exchange is also something where we wanted customers to be able to generate value from things they already have in their houses and to be able to upgrade that to the Apple ecosystem while also contributing towards e-waste. What we've seen as response is customers in India, the kind of people care and people are really respecting and responding to this. It's not like you will expect a immediate 100% jump in sales, but that's not my agenda also. To be able to connect to a customer's emotions and to be able to make a bond with them and make their life better in any way. We have seen about 30% increment in our new customer base only because of initiatives like these. I think again, Shobita and Chaitanya, I mean, they are very strong. Their roots are here in South India with us from Telangana, Vizag. And it was very important that when we are coming with a very public figure for a brand like Aptronics, we want to pay tribute to our Hyderabadi roots. And I think there is no better, and Aptronics is actually a very family run and family oriented business. We look at our team as family, customers as family. It is run by family. It's a family run business, me and my father, my brother. So we did not want to just bring one known personality. The thought behind bringing a couple is to be able to, create that wholesome feeling of being together, just replicating that. I think once you see stores like these, what we're saying about this is that the future's here. You're going to see a lot of stores which already are there to get slowly upgraded to this format, as and when you also see new presences wherever it is deserved in the country, whether it is tier 3 or 4. Every consumer now wants an Apple product. So while we are going to upgrade the current existing formats wherever they deserve a better experience, we're going to go deeper into more regions rather than them having to travel to a main city to buy an Apple product. And in terms of initiatives, I think limitless exchange, being transparent about terms, conditions, these things are just, it's not like I would say, oh, we've done this, we've done such a big thing, we're done. It's just started. If you're not doing more things, better things, different things, then we're not growing. So we have a couple of things lined up and you'll see them very soon.